The future belongs to those who can unleash the value of human potential. Every single day, you are facing problems at work and in personal life. How do you solve these problems which are coming at you every single day? When you go deep inside the problem, you realize that the solution is within and not outside. Only way to solve any problem is to unleash human intelligence. That is possible when you awaken yourself, aspire, align to your dreams. My name is Muki. I've been an entrepreneur for 24 years and I've lost my life savings 7 times starting companies. I've invested in 19 startups so far. I'm conducting a transformative interactive workshop at the Vault in San Francisco. This is happening on the Wednesday, 10th October between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Come and experience, and this is going to change your life. Looking forward to seeing you.